Managing a multiple number of courses one by one can prove to be very time-consuming and repetitive, especially if you're cleaning up your course page and need to delete several of them. Well, don't fret. That's why UMU is introducing the brand new course bulk editing function. You can now click on the Bulk Actions button to manage your courses in bulk and send them to the recycling bin in one click, enhancing your course management efficiency. Courses deleted by the user will be moved to the recycling bin first and be kept there for 30 days before being permanently deleted. In order to permanently delete a course from the course recycling bin, simply select it and click on Delete Permanently. To restore a course from the course recycling bin, simply select it and click on Restore Course within 30 days of its initial deletion, and all the learning data will be kept intact. With the Knowledge Base Recycling Bin function, system admins can now edit, manage, and delete courses in bulk from the Knowledge Base section of the UMU Enterprise Edition backend management. Enterprise Knowledge Base courses deleted by the system administrator will be moved to the Knowledge Base Recycling Bin and will be also moved to the course recycling bin of the course owner. The Knowledge Base Recycling Bin keeps the courses there for 30 days as well. And within this time, the system administrator can restore or permanently delete them. The same actions can be performed by course owners in their own course recycling bin. If the course is restored, it will be returned to the enterprise knowledge base and to the owners as owner courses, while preserving all the valuable learning data in the process. Visit our website and start using these new functions to create and deliver courses faster now. With UMU, everyone can engage, share, and grow.